Now we asked him if after putting the seeds in the bed, does he still spray more medication in the bed? It would be good for you to protect your nursery bed from insects so that these insects do not come and eat your seeds. You may sprinkle the powdered medication after planting your seeds in the bed. You can use powdered chemicals like 7 dust. Do you know, if you know it, 7 dust? It will work very well. After the shoots are out of the ground, then you start to spray. You can spray Harvester XL and treat them that way. Manage them like that. You may spray after every 2 weeks. That will be enough amount of medication. So when you do that, by the time you transplant to the main garden, they will have received medication that will protect them in the garden. And then you will also have less diseases to deal with.